Since the time of the Founding Fathers, dark forces have been preying on America. As the fight against these vampires continued, a secret organization has trained people with remarkable skills. The agent's duty is to protect ordinary people from the forces of evil.
Retirement is great! It's getting dragged out of it for the great goddamn train heist that chaps my ass! Old Chester's in a chattier mood than your sour ass! Don't worry about the arrow boy! Dynamite's a great conversation starter! While we're on the dynamite, Chester will be none too chatty with his guts sprayed all over a train carriage.
I know how to shape an explosion, Edgar.
It's coming. Wait for it. Now!
Harrow's not gonna be happy about the bridge.
Harrow can suck my dick. He's the Secretary of War, not the Secretary of Bridges. Let's go have a look-see. I go high.
Nah, it's not that bad. Gotta be careful.
Damn it!
Let's give it a try.
Swing it! What's that sound? Stop whining and start moving! You smell that? Shit! It's so thirsty.
Amateurs. Born 1857, 1864, 1881. Arranged in order of vintage like fine wines. All dead. Fuck. Boy, you better make all this worth our time, Chester.
Eat 'em.
felt good. Gotta cross the river somehow. This would be a bad time for this thing to collapse.
Why? Why is it? Why is it happening? Hurts now. Where the hell did you get that slicer?
You're over, pal. Great, more ticks.
Looks like you could use a hand. Watch out!
Damn it. Arrow's gonna dock my pay for sure. Jesus. Christ. Worst damn barbecue ever. Shit, another one? Now that's what I call a game changer.
Welcome to America, dipshit!
I bet one good punch could get me through. Okay, let's dance. I can smell you, Chess, you lousy skunk.
I'll take that.
Come here.
Mind if I join you? Jesus, Edgar, watch out! You're welcome. All right, Chester. Now I'm pissed. Then let's get that son of a bitch.
Young Rentier, still on your father's leash, I see.
Heard you were on your way to the gathering, Chess. What's this? Catering?
Why, I have no idea what you're...
That big shiny ball out there is no good for your sensitive skin.
The sun's not to know what they'll do to me.
Fun game. Let's test that theory.
No, Richard, stop! Belmontville! The gathering's in Belmontville!
Excellent choice, Chester. And since you're feeling so damn helpful, we're gonna be needing a guide. Consider it a promotion. Dipshit.
Belmontville's a long way from the manor. We're on a clock here.
We've been hunting DeBono for 3 months. What's another few hours?
Have it your way. But your father's gonna have your ass as an ashtray if we don't make that presentation.
You're retired. What's he gonna do? Fire you?